Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Today we're going to do a follow-up video for Delysium. Alright, so this is becoming very popular right now and I own a node. Okay, I have a node. Why? Because I don't want to be behind the game. I don't want to miss Gala, the next Gala again. Now let's check about what they have, something new. They create their AI. Okay, it's called Lucy and I spoke with her. It's crazy. It's like crazy. She can give you all the answers. So if you have a node, you are early adopter, you can chat with their AI. It's crazy. You can ask her to send you to do transfer from your MetaMask to like send like Ethereum and all the stuff. I didn't try that yet. I'm a little bit skeptical, but people do that. Okay, so I asked her a few other questions. We're going to go through the video what I asked her. And if you don't know what's Delysium, I did a full video for this one. It's a next AI AAA Metaverse game. It's building on Immutable X and it's the next Delysium. It can be also the next Gala. So we all know that the trend is AI. However, they've been working on AI for the last 1 year. And check this out, they have so many new updates. Okay, so many new updates. Let's first watch the trailer, and I know they have a new trailer coming up very soon and I cannot wait. Look the quality of what they made. Amazing. I'm so hype about them. I'm so excited, to be honest. Why? Because I'm earning tokens before they are even launched. Now don't forget, they're going to launch their game on GameFi. All right, so in Epic Game, sorry, they're going to launch their game in Epic Game. There's a huge market of thousands and thousands of people who are using that store so they can play some games. Okay, so that's a cool stuff. Now they're coming also with their token very soon. Okay, we don't know when. I know the launchpad will be on Bybit. I think they're supposed to be somewhere in March. Okay, let's go to next thing. Okay, let me tell you what's next. So on their Twitter, all right, check this out. They win Blockchain Live 2023, the best GameFi project, Delysium, in 2023. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, that is crazy. So well done. Okay, I think that's the best GameFi project of the year of Blockchain Live 2023. Well done and congratulations to them. Okay, that's nice. Okay, what's new? Let's check. Oh, I just forgot to say before we go anywhere, disclaimer that I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean I'm not financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, this is crypto. You can lose everything. Do not put more money you can afford to lose, because everything is risky. Now you need to remember, this is a game. Okay, so this one with Delysium, what I'm doing is I'm buying a node. I got a node. Okay, and I'm planning to hold for a long time. When I say a long time, probably years. Actually, the node will be there for a long time. You're going to earn tokens. I'm not selling the tokens for at least a year. That's my plan, except if the token pump up like 10x 20x. Of course I will take some profits. However, if not, I would just hold, because I believe wherever they're building is going to take some time before they come up with their great results. So this is Lucy, guys. Okay, so if you met here Lucy, if you have the DME, okay, the node, you can connect with Lucy. I will leave the link down, and here you can see I asked her, hey, how are you? He said, I'm just a virtual assistant. I don't have feelings like the human. Okay, but thank you for asking. It's pretty cool. I say, can you sing? She says, no, I don't have the voice to sing. However, I can help you with any question you may have about Web3. So this is a lot about Web3, okay? And I said, okay, what's the Web3? And she explained everything right here. What's the Web3? I asked, what's Delysium? And she said, it's a building AI powered, check this out, virtual society with AGI. That's the token, okay? Delysium has been constructed a virtual world where 1.1 billion individuals, okay, and 100 billion AI virtual beings coexist on blockchain. Can you believe it? All right, that's crazy. All right, so the next question what I asked her, all right, I says, who's cryptophile? That's me. She says, I don't know you. That's very sad. Lucy, you must fix that. All right. Look, it's pretty scary, by the way. I'm so skeptical for all this AI, but these people love it. Some people love them. I say, what's Earth? And she explained what's Earth. All right. Let's ask her something. What is crypto? All right. Let me see. She's talking now. She's talking. Let's see. What is crypto? And she's typing crypto is a short for cryptocurrency. It's a digital virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transaction on a control the creation of new units. There we go. You can ask her wherever you want. That's crazy. Hi Lucy, nice to meet you. Great. All right. Let me see. I love you. What she's going to say? Oh, she's still typing. Thank you for your kind words. As an AI assistant, I don't have the ability to feel emotions, but I'm here to assist you with anything related with the Web3. All right, thank you. Okay, there we go. So you can ask her wherever you want. That's crazy, guys. This crypto world is just crazy. All right, so next thing. Okay, so if you go to the Twitter, you will see they have over almost 150,000 followers. Well, that's amazing. Okay, so today the market is the first ever. So they just posted this one. Yes, when did it pin? I think March the 3rd. So today it's the 5th when I'm doing this video. When you watch this video, it will be the 6th. Okay, so a couple of days ago. Okay, so they say, check this out. Okay, today marks the first time ever that cryptocurrency can be transferred with just a few words, and Web3 can be navigated through natural language alone. Okay, Lucy, the world's first Web3 AI, okay, virtual assistant, has launched in early access to DMA. That's us holders at Chat Delysium. So there we go. If you go to their Telegram, in his Twitter, you will find out they are Lucy. Okay, so that's cool. Also, what they mention, guys. Okay, what they mention is they going to have more benefits for everybody who have the node. Okay, now the question is, Phil, how much money, how much you making from the node? There we go. So March 5th, I got today 86 tokens. Okay, that's the every day I'm getting token. I was getting 100 tokens, now I'm getting 86. Now more people buy the node, less tokens you get. Okay, simple as that. Last time they were sold around 5,800 nodes. One node cost $1,000. Now remember, once they sold 10,000 nodes, the price is going to increase much more up. It will be $25 for every 100 nodes. So just have that into consideration. Now, the only way to get a node is into the private cell. To get into the private cell, you need the code, and I have the code. If in case you want it, the link will be in the description. The code is, there we go, PEPKBD. B for Bob, D for David. There we go. Just put this code there. Will be right down into the description, and you can buy your node. Okay, now next one. Also, what is very cool for them, if you go to their website, you will see is the first playable white paper. Okay, so that's also amazing. If you go to their marketplace, guys, because you can play the game now. Okay, I'm not a gamer, so I didn't play. I just don't want. I don't have time to games. Okay, I have kids, family, work, crypto, and everything. No time for games. Now you can see there's so many sold out. Look at it, sold out. Okay, sold out, and you know, almost 30% sold out. There, all of them, like so many. Look, all of this is sold out. That's crazy. You know, that's just crazy. Again, guys, I think this one is a good one. I think I mentioned in my last video, I went into the Gala node, and what's happened is I did bought a node, and then you have over there, I think you have 7 days to give them back the node if you don't like it, and then they say I freak out and I give them back in 3 days. They send me the money back. It cost 9,000 something bucks. Okay, $9,000, and today, that was 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, something like that, and today price is almost 100,000. So it is what it is. So I don't want to be the next Gala loser, so that's why I got the node. Now it's another project also. Very soon I'll get a node, because I really like this node thing. Can be a winner or maybe can be a loser, we never know, but I want to be in, just in case. You never know. Again, thank you so much for watching. I don't want to keep you so long. Go and watch my video from yesterday where I'm doing donation for everybody, in like for a lot of poor children in India, Philippines and Africa. Yesterday I did in India. Go and watch that video. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. It's mean the world to me. Thank you so much everybody for watching, subscribing. Let me know what you think about this let's say project. Is it good? Is it bad? Is Delysium going to be something, or you think will be just nothing? Again, let me know in the comment. Again, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.